Hi guys, it's Marieta, founder of Immigration Biz, business immigration attorney. I hope everybody is doing well. So in this video, I guys want to share with you, first of all, I want to remind you that you can register for DV Visa Lottery 2024 in just 2 days, okay? So that's number one. Number two, I want to show you what is the actually official link, how you apply, but I cannot unfortunately show you right now, but I will be able to show you in 2 days. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so you are notified whenever I release new content. And number three, I also want to show you what are the websites where you should not register. In other words, how to avoid scam and fraud, because there are many fraudulent websites. They appear as a US government and they are taking money from you guys. And I want to show you that these are the websites you should absolutely not register. Okay. And lastly, if you do need any help, I do have a training that I created for those who want my help with the registration, because I personally don't submit any entry. The reason is simple. I want you to do it on your own, and if you need a guidance from me, I highly recommend check out my training program. Currently it's discounted, and you can find the link in description below the video how you can register. So let's start. So when you actually type in Google DV Visa Lottery 2024, you will see these different links, right? So this is actually official link. This is actually the US government, and they are basically describing how to submit the entry. So everything you need to know you will find here. So this definitely is valid information. You can actually read all these steps, one to what is it, 1 to 10, right? And learn everything you need to know about the DV Visa Lottery. However, if you want to submit the entry this year, you're going to have to go here. I'm going to give you the exact link, which is dvprogram.state.gov. So this is actually how you're going to submit your entry. Because today is actually October 3rd, I am not able to submit the entry. However, it will open up October 5th and it will conclude first week of November. So you want to use this period and register, right, on time. And sometimes, the site might have difficulties to load. So you want to make sure that you reload the site and go from there. So I don't know what's going on now. Maybe it's just my internet connection. Probably. Let's see. Because it is loading. But this is actually the official site, dvprogram.state.gov. This is how you're going to register. No other website. Because all the other websites are actually fraud and scam, and you don't want to pay anybody for registering for the DV Visa program. So, okay, yes, it did load. Here you go. Maybe many people are checking this website right now, right? So you could have a difficulty to open it up, but again, I would just wait, maybe use different browser, try again. So on October 5th, you will be able to see here how to submit your entry. This is how you submit the entry. Because many of you are searching right now how to submit the entry, you are not able to find the site, and therefore you are actually victim of these fraudulent websites. For example, when I scroll down, DV Visa Lottery 2024, right? So this is what you usually type, and then you're going to scroll down, and I want to show you the example of these fraudulent websites. See, this is the official website you should use. That's the current program. For example, this one, www.usa.gov, right? This looks like pretty valid website, right? USA.gov. Well, guess what? This is not the government website. So you should absolutely not register here. Let's continue. Let's see. Okay, USCIS.gov, this is actually our official website, but they are not showing you the way to register. Okay, boundless.com. What is this? Okay, this is just an article, so this is fine. Now, look at this one, dvlottery.us. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is one of the examples where you should not register and submit your entry. You shouldn't, because I actually explained this many times in my previous videos. If someone is asking you to pay and submit your personal data through a website like this, which appears like government website, they are gathering your data, your personal data, and then maybe they will submit the entry on your behalf if you actually paid $100 or so. However, you are not sure if they will submit the entry, and so you are wasting your opportunity to even submit the entry, even if you pay someone to submit your entry. And I want to show you what do I mean here. Okay, so they collect the data, right? And then they ask for the payment. Typically it's like $100 or so. So never do that. Never provide your information for any payment. Do it on your own. You don't need anybody to help you out. Oh, this is actually my video. So that is example number one. Example number two is for example, greencardlottery.expert. What is this? Same thing. They have different domain names and it's pointing to the same website. dvlottery.me. This is photo checker. Yeah. Many people ask about the picture, right? So I would highly recommend to go to that first website I gave you and follow the instruction. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Okay, what is this? This looks like another scam. Okay, definitely. US Green Card Office.com. This is ridiculous. They are collecting your data and most likely they want the payment at the end. See, it appears as the government website, but it is not. Okay, guys? So anything that appears like a government website, but it's not, don't submit your entry. So let me remind you again. Everything you need to know about DV Visa Lottery is here. travel.state.gov. This is the official website where you can find all the information, how to submit the entry, all the information regarding the picture, etc. So that's that. And the only website where you're gonna go October 5th is going to be dvprogram.state.gov. And that is how you're going to submit your entry. That is it. You do not go anywhere else. Make sense? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need other help, check out my training. It's in description below this video. Other than that, good luck.